welcome back to Gavjyoti classes, and I am Gaurav Rastogi here with the third chapter of class 9th, which is Logarithm. I have attempted to take this chapter due to the comment of one of my viewer who said that he want me to make a video on logarithms. So let's start with the chapter. During the explanation, we are going to discuss some questions. So I want you to take out your copy, take out your pen, and you will also solving it with me. Okay, but before that, you should know that logarithm makes many people feel like it is tough, but it is actually very easy if you know all the kind of basics of that. So let us start knowing that. What is logarithm? Logarithm is nothing but writing the thing which you know in another form. You know that a to the power x will give you something n. Okay, now we have to write it in the form of logarithm. In the way we should write is called log of n to the base a is equal to x. Means logarithm of n to the base a is called x, is equal to x. Okay, and in the form we used to write is n is equals to a power x. Now how to replace it? I'm using some arrows to indicate that n will be at its place, but this a will go there and x will go to the subscript. So if you can remember it like this with the arrows, it's best thing. Okay, you need to remember this, what goes where. Okay, when using logarithm, the answer will be the power, and when not using it, the answer will be the answer. Okay, let's move further. Let us solve some question to get kind of attached with this logarithm. So we have 5 questions with us, but note this one thing: 0.01 will not be written as 10 power 1 by 2, which will be written as 10 power minus 2, and root 100 will be written as 10 power 1 by 2, to which many of you including me used to get confused while solving the question. So that is why I put this note and put it to your attention. Let's see the solution for the first one, which is log 100 of base 1000. So what we will do is we will say that log of 100 to base 1000 is equals to x. Whenever you see this, you say that the equation that log of anything to the base anything is equal to x. It will make your problem easy. Then we will convert it in the form we know. Okay, so the x will be the power, because logarithm log give you the answer as the power of the base. Okay, so what is the base? 1000. So 100 will be equal to 1000 power x. 100 can be written as 10 power 2, and 10 can be written as 10 power 3x. We are doing so to make the base equal. Fine, then 2 is equals to 3x, and subsequently x will be equal to 2 by 3. Moving further to the next answer. Here the question is log 10,000 to the base 0.01. Let it be x as we did in the previous one. Now convert it into the form we know. 10,000 is equals to 0.01 power x. 10,000 can be written as 10 power 4. 10 can be written as minus 2, 10 power minus 2x. 0.01 can be written as 10 power minus 2x, and we will equate the powers because the base is same, and we will get the answer as 2x. Okay, next another question. Question is log 0.00001 to the base 0.01. So again we will do that log 0.0001 to the base 0.01 is equals to x. Now convert in the form we know. 0.0001 is equals to 0.01 to the power x. 10 power minus 3 is equals to 10 power minus 2x, because 0.0001 is 10 power minus 3 and 0.01 is 10 power minus 2. Okay, equate the powers which are there because the base is same, and you will get the answer as 3 by 2. So the next question, answer for the next question actually, is log cube root 16 to the base 2. Okay, we will give it as x. till now the questions were with 10 only, so it was kind of easy, but now we will using another numbers also. So then cube root of 16 is equals to 2 power x. Fine. Cube root of 16 can be written as 2 power 4 by 3, isn't it? Because 16 is equals to 2 power 4 and cube root of 16 will give you 1 by 3. Okay, so which will give you 2 power 4 by 3 is equals to 2 power x, and subsequently you will get x is equals to 4 by 3. I hope you are getting the same answer as I am getting, and you need to solve the questions by pausing the video, don't only see. Okay, so the properties of logarithm, we are going to see the properties of logarithm. Log 1 to the base a is equals to 0 when a is not 0 and a is greater than 1. Why? Because you know well, if a power x is 1, so for any a the x should be equal to 0, because something power 0 will give you 1. Fine. Let's go to the second property of that, which is also very easy. Log a to the base a is equals to 1, because a is equals to a power 1. We are just converting the log into the way we know it, and we are getting the answer or the proof. Moving further, this is a little difficult in view, but it is not actually. Let's see. Log m to the base a plus log n to the base a is equals to log m into n to the base a. How? The left hand side, when we will solving, we can say that log m to the base a is equals to x and log n to the base a is equals to y. Therefore m is equals to a power x and n is equals to a power y. Then m into n will give you a power x plus y. Clear? Okay, so log m into n to the base a. Why I am writing log m into n to the base a? I am just converting the equation m into n is equals to a power x plus y in the form of logarithm, and I am getting log m into n to the base a is equals to x plus y. And further you can say that x is equals to log m to the base a and y is equals to log n to the base a, and you will get the same thing from which we started solving. Again, this is the same thing actually, but the difference is that it is minus and you will get the division. It is very easy, you can try it. Moving on to the next property of logarithm, which states that log m to the power k to the base a is equals to k into actually log m to the base a. So let k is equals to 2. I am letting k is equals to 2. Fine. So log m to the base a will be x. Therefore m is equals to a power x. Now m into n is equals to a power x plus x. Now converting the same equation into logarithm, we will get log m into m to the base a is equals to x plus x. Now log m into m to the base a will give you log m to the base a plus log m to the base a, because we stated that x is equals to log m to the base a, and log m to the base a plus log m to the base a will give you 2 log m to the base a, and hence proved. Moving further to the next property, which states that log m to the base a power k, okay, is equals to 1 by k into log m to the base a. We are going to prove this, but after the following property. So the property is log m to the base a is equals to log m to the base b upon log a to the base b. Means we are taking another base. We don't like the base a, so we are taking another base, and then the things become like this. How? Let m to the base log m to the base a is equals to x. So m will be equal to a power x. Moving further, log m to the base b is equals to log a to the base b power x. Okay, multiplying log b, you can say on the both the sides, to be clear. So the x on the right hand side will come out, which we did in the previous properties. Okay, which will give you, now taking log a to the base b down in the left hand side, will get the same thing Moving back to the previous theorem, because now we know how to solve it. Okay, so log m to the base a power k is equals to 1 by k into log m to the base a. So can we write the left hand side as log m to the base b divided by log a to the base b power k, log a power k base b, okay, using the previous theorem. Okay, now we will get it as, with, because the k will come down, we will get log m to the to base b upon k into log a to the base b, again taking it as 1, means doing the converse of the previous theorem. We will get 1 by k into log m to the base b. When you will do it, you will understand. Okay, now moving further to the next theorem, next property, log m to base a is equals to 1 upon log a to base m. How? Log m to base a is equals to log m to base m upon log a to the base m, using the theorem. Okay, and we will get log m to the base a is equals to 1 upon log a to the base m, because m and m in the left hand side numerator was equal, so it will be equal to 1. Moving to the next property, which states a power log x to the base a is equals to x. Okay, so let's see why. Let's say log x up to the base a is equals to n, so x is equals to a power n. So what is n? Log x to the base a, and you can again write x is equals to a power log x to base a. It is enormously easy. So the next theorem, or the next property, which is a to the power log c base b is equals to c to the power log a base b. So we will say let a to the power log c base b is equals to x. Then log b is equals log b in the bracket a to the power log c to the base b is equals to log x to the base b. How? We are just simply multiplying log b on both the sides. Clear? So now we can write, because c is in the power, it will come down, and we will be able to write log b into log c to the base b is equal into log a to the base b, which will be equal to the same log x to the base b, taking log c to the base b on the right hand side, okay, which will go in the denominator, and using the previous property, we will get log a to the base b, which is same, is equals to log x to the base c. Okay, fine. If you not understood, go back to the previous property and come back again, you will definitely understand. Or if you are taking down notes, then also you will understand. Fine. Kindly go back and make the notes to understand if you want actually to understand it. So moving further, so now that log thing we are going to write in the form of we know, as the form we know. So it will be equal to x is equals to c power log a base b. We took x is equals to a power log c base b, which came, now x is equals to this, so both are equal.